In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and manage your inventory in QuickBooks Online. If you're new to QuickBooks or simply looking to fine-tune your inventory management, you've come to the right place. We're going to walk you through this process step by step, ensuring you have a solid understanding of each part. So, let's dive right in and get started. First, we need to log into QuickBooks Online. Open your Chrome browser and navigate to quickbooks.intuit.com. Look for the Sign In button and, using your credentials, log into your account. Once you're logged in, you're on your way to streamlining your inventory management. Before we start adding any inventory, it's important to verify that inventory tracking is enabled. This is a crucial step. Head over to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. From this drop-down, select Account and Settings. You'll want to focus on the Sales tab. Underneath the Products and Services section, ensure that Track Inventory Quantity on Hand is switched on. If you find it's off, go ahead and toggle it on. Remember to save your changes to lock in this crucial setting. Now that inventory tracking is enabled, let's add your inventory items. Navigate to the Sales section and select Products and Services. If you're starting fresh and haven't added any inventory items yet, click on New. From the options presented, choose Inventory. You'll need to fill in a few details about each item, such as the name, SKU, sales price, and cost, along with the associated income or expense accounts. This provides a comprehensive understanding of each item's place in your business. After completing these fields, click Save for each item you add. Next, let's enter the opening quantity and value for your inventory items. For each item, find the Edit option, indicated by a pencil icon. Within the opening balance section, input the quantity on hand for the items as of your determined start date. Also, don't forget to specify the as of date. This is typically the start of your fiscal year or the date you started using QuickBooks. Once done, make sure to save your changes. Sometimes you might need to adjust the inventory value after entering these quantities. To do this, create an inventory adjustment. Click on the plus New button, then select Inventory QTI Adjustment. Here, choose the inventory item you need to adjust, input the new quantity, and select the appropriate adjustment account and date. Save this adjustment to ensure your books are accurate. Finally, review your inventory asset account. It should reflect the value of your opening inventory accurately. Double check this to ensure everything lines up correctly, allowing you to move forward with confidence in your inventory management. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully set up and managed your inventory in QuickBooks Online, paving the way for more efficient business operations. Thanks for joining me today, and happy bookkeeping.